Hi, this is Richard from PageFly. Today we're diving into PageFly's Page Analytics feature to understand how visitors interact with your Shopify pages built with PageFly that can help you grow your business and increase sales. Firstly, let's explore how you can access Page Analytics in PageFly. In the PageFly Page Builder app, simply navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Analytics. This will seamlessly transport you to the Analytics dashboard. After that, you need to activate Google Analytics. If you haven't enabled Page Analytics yet, there will be a banner prompting you to enable it in Analytics settings. Click on the Open Analytics setting button, and now you are in Analytics Preferences. Click the Enable PageFly Analytics box, and you'll be directed to connect to your email account associated with Google Analytics. After finishing the process of granting PageFly access to your email, a pop-up will appear where you can choose the appropriate account you previously set up, along with selecting the property and data stream. Here is the settings when completed. Click Save to continue. Now let's learn how does Page Analytics work. Back to the Analytics page, you'll find valuable insights into how your pages are performing. Click on each page to access a detailed report. To make your analysis even more precise, enable the filter features by simply clicking on the magnify icon. This action will reveal the Filter Pages bar. You can further refine your results by creating custom filters. Just click on Add Filter and specify criteria such as type, status, and metric. To save your custom filter for future use, click on the Save As button. Click here if you want to view the data for different dates. If you wish to compare data with a previous period, simply select Previous Period. For those who prefer the legacy view, it allows you to access your old data within the older version of PageFly 3.0. To check your Google Analytics connection history, click on View Georgia Connections. If you need a hard copy, simply click on Print to generate a report for printing. Or if you prefer digital copies, click on Export to have the report sent to your email as a CSV file. Move to the next things, we will learn what can be measured. In PageFly Page Analytics, PageFly diligently calculates key metrics, presenting them in clear and intuitive charts on your analytics dashboard. There are 6 vital metrics that PageFly provides for analyzing your page's performance. Add to Cart Rate metric represents the percentage of sessions where a product is added to the cart. Sessions metric keeps track of the total number of sessions on your page. Visitors metric monitors the total number of unique visitors to your page. Product View Rate metric shows you how many times a specific product is viewed by visitors within a specified period. Sales metric tracks the total gross sales generated by your page, calculated based on the product price from complete orders. Conversion Rate metric represents the percentage of sessions where visitors click on a trackable element from your page. To illustrate, I'll provide a typical scenario where Page Analytics are applied, which is adding a tracking Idaho to a specific element allows you to monitor the data related to that element. To set a tracking ID, simply select the desired element, then navigate to the General tab. Scroll down until you find the tracking section. Here you can input any tracking Idaho that suits your needs. Type in your chosen tracking ID, then click Save and Publish. Now let's head over to the Analytics page. Here you'll find the conversion percentage for the element, identified by the tracking Idaho you set earlier. And that's how you add a tracking Idaho in the page editor using PageFly. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more videos. Our friendly and knowledgeable team is available via live chat 24/7 to assist you with any issues you might encounter. Thanks for watching.